Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 15. Oh my gosh, time is flying by. Today I spent the whole day in the kitchen baking cookies and getting the mixes together because majority of them have to go in the fridge for at least a little bit of time. But if anything, they can go overnight and it's still going to be good. But that way the mess is kind of done, at least half of the mess, and then I can create more of a mess putting them on the baking sheets and doing all that good stuff. So the Italian cookies that I make, they're completely all baked. I made 2 batches and I just have to glaze them, which I will probably do that tomorrow. Now I'm going to be, let me flip this around. Now I'm baking these, what do they call these? Cake batter cookies. Now they do say to use just like yellow or white box cake mix. But I got the Christmas funfetti because I love me some funfetti. And I've been thinking about making a funfetti cookie for so long that I was like, this is perfect. And I've watched so many videos on Christmas cookie baking. And a lot of people actually make this like cake batter cookie. And I was like, how did I not know about this? And it's so easy because you literally just pretty much use the cake mix, eggs, oil, I forget some other things. But so I'm going to roll these up and then I'm going to roll them in the sprinkles or the nonpareils. I'm going to do a little bit of both. I'm going to see which one I like better, but I feel like these are going to go everywhere. But yeah, I made 2 batches of these, but let me show you these. Should have probably put them. But that's what they look like before they're glazed. So this is very time consuming. I did 2 batches. There's another one. They're very time consuming because you can't just, plop them down. You got to twist them. You have to twist them and do all that stuff. So, anywho, Walmart had these huge, like, sprinkle things. And the nonpareils. The brand is the Wilton. So, we'll see. I'm really picky when it comes to my sprinkles. So, hopefully they're okay. I can't stand sprinkles that are, like, really hard. But since the Funfetti already has the Jimmy's sprinkles, whatever. I call them Jimmy's. I'm from Philly. I can't help it. But since it already has the sprinkles inside the mix, I don't think I'm going to have to use as like many sprinkles or nonpareils. But I'm so excited for these cookies. You have no idea. Now let me show you the other ones. Oh my gosh, I have so much stuff, guys. It's so crazy. So I made 2 batches of chocolate chip M&M. I am beyond excited for this. This thing literally is probably 15 pounds. Like, no lie. And then in here, I'm like running out of room in my fridge. Then I have chocolate crinkle in there. And then I have Bourbon chocolate chip walnut mix in there. And then I'm still going to be making my peanut butter cookies. And that's that. Yeah, is that all it? So I'm making a total of 6 different types of cookies. And some of them are double batches, which is insane. So insane. So yesterday I really laughed at my vlog because I'm like, I don't want to talk about the same thing. And the whole video is all about my cookies. Late last night, we actually did go to Walmart and I did all of my cookie baking shopping. So I got everything because I've realized that if I waited till even Thursday or Friday, I was just gonna run out of time. And honestly, today I literally only baked those Italian cookies and everything else. I did all the mixing, which is great and does save some time, especially that the recipes do call for them to go in the fridge. So that saves time, but now I'm going to roll these cookies. And we had Chick-fil-A for dinner because I was like, I am too tired to make anything. And I just had their like their Cobb salad with grilled chicken nuggets on it. So it was delicious. So I am so excited for this cake batter. I'm probably going to eat one because I got to test it out because it's what you got to do. So anyways, not too much going on here. Literally just baking all day today. Yeah, so that's that. I'm trying to think of anything else. So tomorrow is going to be an all baking day and probably Friday because I need all my cookies to be cooled and ready. So Saturday morning I can pack them up because Saturday I'm going to be passing them out and doing drop-offs with them. So that's why I'm like Friday is just going to be too late to do them all because they're going to have to cool. And I might not even be baking all of them tomorrow, but I have to be finished by Friday night and having them cool. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry this was a little boring. I will put some photos in here and then follow me on Instagram because I posted on there as well. But If you guys want any recipes, definitely let me know. But most of these I did look up online. Even my Italian cookies, I found that recipe online. They're the same cookies that my mom and grandma would make, and they taste exactly the same. But I didn't get the recipe like actually from them. I actually Googled and read a lot of recipes. That's what I tend to do. If I want to make something, I will actually look up that recipe and look up 20 different recipes for that one thing, and then I make up my own on what I think will be best. I don't know, that's just what I do. So the first time I'm making the bourbon chocolate chip walnut cookies, so I'll definitely report back. George did a mixture of Woodford bourbon and Blanchard's. Blanchard's, is that how you say it? I don't know. It's like really bougie. I was like, whatever, George, do whatever you want. So they're mainly being made for him, and I'm really excited for them. I hope they're just as good as the cupcakes that I used to make. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys are all having a great holiday season. I am just so excited. I just felt so good being in the kitchen all day today. I was literally on my feet all day. Didn't do a proper workout, but active hours has been all day long. It's just crazy. I haven't done anything. I barely even looked at my phone. And I don't know, it feels good to be like busy like that and just in the kitchen all day baking. I love baking. It is my favorite thing ever. I don't enjoy cooking, but baking, it just, I don't know. It's like therapeutic for me. I absolutely love it. It's just, I think it's just because I'm good at it. So I feel good about it and it makes me feel good. All right, guys, I will see you guys all tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be maybe a little bit of a better video. I did want to videotape some of it today, but honestly, it was just so time consuming and George was busy with work because I wanted him to do a little bit of a video as we're doing my Italian cookies, but maybe at another time. I will probably end up making more for my grandmom to take home with her after Christmas, so they're nice and like fresh for her. So I'll probably make her another batch, if not 2 batches, to take home because honestly, they really last a really long time, which is great. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys all later. Have a great day or have a great rest of your night, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Guys, look at these amazing professional looking cookies. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It is a cake batter cookie and I used funfetti cake mix. I am so excited to taste them, but oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. Like these literally look so professional. Okay, like my dream is to sell my baked goods, just so you know. Okay, are we ready for the taste test? Because I'm a little nervous. Oh my God. Oh my God. Forget my cookies this year. You're a lucky person.